Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to send high quality SD photos on Facebook Messenger using the built-in HD option that appears when you're about to send a photo. So yes, let's get started. So start by opening the Messenger app on your phone and entering the chat where you want to send your photo. And tap the image icon or gallery option inside the chat to open your photo library. Now choose the photo you want to send. Once you have selected the image, locate the button that says HD and tap on it. Note, if you don't see the HD option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And now just tap send. And your image will go out in full HD quality, perfect for keeping those details crisp and clear. If you want all the photos to be sent in HD by default, go to your profile, photos and media, and turn on the upload photos in HD setting. And that's how you can send HD photos on Messenger using the HD button. Super easy, and your friends will appreciate the better image quality. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.